Let's talk about the care and propagation for a burrow's tail succulent right after this. Burrow's tail succulents are fragile in terms of leaves. You might see lots of falling leaves when you touch them. The good part is, the leaves can also be propagated. They look great in head pots and they resemble hair. Sun requirements. They love morning sun or bright shaded area. They cannot tolerate scorching sun. So please remember they will get sunburns. They must also be acclimated if you transfer them to another location with a different lighting condition. I have a video about acclimation here. If you want to know more about it, please click the link above. When they get sun exposure more than what they need, they get sun stressed. And guess what? They change color. Do you know what color they turn to when sun stressed? Please tell us your answer in your comments below. Oh, and by the way, sun stressed is a desirable stress for succulents, which makes them more colorful. Did you know that burrow's tail, also known as donkey's tail, is often mistaken for another hybrid variety? This hybrid is called baby burrow's tail or Sedum marganium burrito. This variety does not exist in natural cultivation, so it is believed to be a hybrid. This hybrid has rounder and denser leaves and is not as fragile. Water requirements. Like every other succulents, they must only be watered when the soil is totally dry. If you are new to caring for succulents, it's best to wait until some leaves develop slight wrinkles before watering. This means that they are thirsty and you are sure they will not get overwatered. Or you can stick your finger in the soil and feel if it's still moist and cold. If so, don't water it yet. As we know, overwatering is a succulent killer. Now let's talk about propagation. But before that, please leave your comments below if you have a burrow's tail or planning to get one. It can be rarely propagated by seeds. It can also be propagated by leaves, but it takes too much time to grow. The best way to propagate it is through cuttings. Here's how I do it. Cut 4 to 6 inches, air dry overnight, pot it with dry soil. No watering for 5 days to a week. I usually keep the falling leaves on top of the soil to give them a chance to grow. You can use any type of loose soil that drains the water fast. If you can see this mother plant, which I bought, they use a regular soil. But look how fast draining this soil is. And they are located in a place where morning sun directly hits them. But for these cuttings, we keep them in bright shaded area. Remember, keep them in bright shaded area. After 5 days to a week, I usually start to mist. Misting encourages them to root when the cuts are totally healed. On the other hand, misting promotes rot when the cuts are not yet healed. Please watch the next video.